Suzy here from the Grey Brunette, and today I thought I would show you something a little bit different that I like to do when I feel my face needs a pick-me-up in the morning, which clearly is most mornings, so I do it maybe once a week or something like that, just to give me I don't know, I guess a bit of a refresh. It's kind of like having a mini facial in like 5 minutes. It's amazing. And what it is, it's these babies. They are, I think they're called ice globes, and they are filled with like an antifreeze liquid, and you put them in the freezer for 20 minutes or so before you need to use them, and then you massage your face with it, and they're amazing. So these ones I got from Fraicheur, Paris, and I got them in the Black Friday sale for half price, I think, which was pretty good. Anyway, so let's get started. So what I like to do is I like to put serums on my face first so that your face is nice and slippery for the product. Not the product, but you know what I mean. So there's a little bit of eye serum, which I'm using Duval's Argan Active Protection Eye Serum, which you might remember from my last video where I talk about my daily makeup routine. And then I've got my Visage Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So I'll put some of that on next. I do like my serums. I think I probably use too much. Put some on the neck as well, because you're going to use it on the neck. Okay, then you need to just wipe your hands. Make sure your hands aren't too wet and slippery, because you don't want to drop them. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so what we do to begin with, this is just the way I do it. I mean, you could do it another way, but I've watched a few YouTube videos to get the, to find out, you know, the best way to do it. And this is what I found. Oh, it's so cold. This is going to be way better in the summer than it is in the winter, because it's really cold. Okay, so just start on the back of the neck, rolling up. Oh, it's freezing. Just do it, I don't know, 10 times or so like that. And you can roll up and then do like a little massage on the back there if you want. But I tend not to do that so much. And then move around the neck. Ooh, it's so cold. Always going in like an upward motion. And then the jawline, so just follow the jawline across. And then up the side of the temples. Look at all those wrinkles. God, they're getting worse. And then start just by the side of your by the side of your nose, and just go round your cheekbones and then up to the temples and give them a little massage there. So round, up, and then massage. It really does help to wake you up as well. This is going to be amazing in like July and August when it's really warm. Especially where I am, because I live in Portugal, and July and August, September can get really hot. So this is going to be used every day, I think. Multiple times a day. Okay, now we're going to go across the eyes. So just don't pull that area too much, because you don't want to pull the skin, because it's very delicate. So you're not pulling it like that, you're rolling it across. See? Rolling it across. Oh, it's so cold. Jesus, it's really freezing. And then close your eyes and do the same thing, just across your eyes. Just gently, not pushing, there's no pressure at all. It's literally just gliding across the top or rolling across the top. And the eyebrows as well. I'm not counting, I'm just doing whatever feels nice. And that feels lovely. This is, I think, also really, really good if you've got headaches. So they're well worth investing in. And then the head, the forehead, I like to just like roll them across the forehead like that. Or again, always going up. Then if you want to, you can just do that across the whole face again, just rolling up. The chin, I didn't do the chin before, did I? And if you want to repeat, it's just nice to just let them roll all across your face. It's like, it's like a massage, facial massage. And when you're done, your face feels amazing, like literally like you've been and had an hour-long facial. Oh, it's so good. Oh, that is so nice. So freaking cold though. Oh, now I've done all that, and you probably can't really see, but I do feel like my face, the skin has tightened up a little bit, so it is good if you're really puffy in the morning. And then I'll just put on my moisturizer. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. It's nice. And then I'll finish off with the creams, which I forgot to use when I did my daily makeup routine video, which I'll post the link to if you haven't seen it. I forgot to put my SPF, and I bought this one when we were in, I think we were in Spain, but it's from the Body Shop, so you can get it anywhere. And it's an SPF 50, which I probably don't really need a 50. A 30 would suffice, but it's all they had at the time. And then I just put that on my face. And then I'm ready for my makeup. Easy as pie. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.